Hey everyone, want to create a cartoon video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro? Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads in Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand new ad is ready to go. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is Canva. Canva is an easy-to-use online design tool that helps you create stunning video ads, social media posts, and more. Even if you have no design experience, with tons of templates, animations, and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life. Perfect for making ads that stand out. Right? All I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you click over apply now, or you can just sign it up in the button in the top right. Then you will have to add your email address and your password as all the platforms and websites. Then you will find a page which is this one. We don't have here the button of sign up, also log in to find your account if you already have an account, because we have here my profile and this is my account as you can see. I will just click over home, then you will find other page which is this one as you can see. Right now I will just search for the specific thing that I want. For example, let's search it for Reels Instagram. So we have Reels Instagram, and here we have it right now. We have here design 17 and we have here Canva templates, 20,000 templates. I will click over seal to see all this template and select one over there. So if we scroll down, we'll find here various options in the various things as you can see. For example, we have here this one and we have also this one. Also, we have here a various templates. If it's related to social media, if it's related to business, videos, we have also other things. All right, I will just right now click over here to see these templates, for example, and then I will just click over customize this template. Then we'll find here other options, and here we have some examples of these templates. So right now all I have to do is just come back here and just select here the button of all filters to select the specific one or the special one that you looking for. So for example, here we have business and we have such as document, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphics, planners, letterheads, and also we have your social media. I will select here Instagram Reels. Then we have your education, video, marketing, print products, cards and invitations. Then we have here the style, the theme, the language, feature, grade, subject, the topic, and the price as well. I will click over the free one. Then about the color, I will select this one, and then we'll click over apply, and you will find here those templates. All right, so for example, we have here this one, it's white and it's for social media, and also we have here customize this template, and you click over it to get it started and just start designing your template. All right, but I like to do my own and start from the scratch, and I will just come back right now to the top and the home page. Also I will just click over create a design, then I will select here video, where I will just here click over custom size, and I will here write the width, the height, also the units, and I will select here the units if it's inches, millimeters, centimeters, and also we have pictures. I will just click over create design and I will get started right now. Right, so I will just click over create a design, then I will click over videos, and I will click over the first one, and they will start from the scratch as I mentioned before. So right now we have here the timing, and I will go right now and I will search for a design for a specific one. For example, we search for shoes basketball like that, and then you'll find here, for example, this templates as you can see. So I will just delete all these things and I will just keep only the basketball right now, and I will add here other things. I will just here custom size for this one. I will put it here and I will just put it like that. Here we have it. All right, so here we have these examples. So I think like that it's better. I will just right now add a text, but firstly you have to come back like that. I will just firstly to here select all these templates, and I will delete here 20 seconds, and they will keep for only 5 seconds. So here we have it. I will click over done. Then I will here click over this one, and I will delete it as I did. The same with those things. Also this one, just put it like that. Also here we have it about this one as well. And here we have how it looks. Right now we'll just go to the text and I will click over add a heading. I will also here modify the size. I will put it to 100 because it's a title of my channel, with also here the color. Alright, put 200, and I will add here basketball shoes. Basketball shoes. I'll put it in the middle. Also, I will search here for the logos. For example, I will just go to the elements and I will search for logos of basketball. For example, logos basketball, like that. Then I will just select the option of graphics. And let's select it, for example, this one. I'll put it in the top left. Then I will here modify also other text. If I want, for example, if I want to add a music, I will just scroll down there, I will click over audio, and I will select music, then I will add it. Also, if you want to record yourself, you click over here and you start recording yourself. By clicking over record, I will delete first to the camera. Then I will start recording like that. You have 3, 2, 1, and I will just right now give you an example. So this is my channel basketball tools. It's very good and helpful. So it's just an example. If you did a mistake, you click over here and I will let this one, and I will just click over exit the stereo. And right now I will just here click over here and I will add another page. I will here put my product, of course, because it's very important to put the product, because we have basketball shoes without product, which is shoes basketball. For example, let's just I will just choose this one. I like Kyrie Irving, by the way, that's why I choose this one. So I think you like it too, or you like LeBron James, I guess. So if you understand in basketball, by the way. So right now I will just here click over audio to add music, or you have just to record yourself, and here we click over record yourself and then we start recording. Then here we have it how it looks. So this is Kyrie Irving. It's a famous player with this shoes of Nike. It's very comfortable and also without finding any problem and any issues with these baskets. And you have just to buy it right now, and welcome again. So it's just an example. I will just click over delete right now, and I will just here exit the studio without adding this voiceover. I just give you an example. Also, we have other options here, such as drawing, brand, other things. Right now, all I have to do is just see the template, how it looks. And here we have 10 seconds of this template. So right now, all I have to do is just click over share on the top right. You can make it firstly, anyone can access the design using this link. And also, I will just here click over see all, and we have here public view link, present template link, present a card, copy to clipboard, shift to folder, send to phone, embed and website. And here we have it right now. Also, we have the option of download, as you can see, if you want to add people groups like them, and then we get started and you share your template. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. So Canva makes creating video ads quick and easy with its user-friendly tools and templates. It's perfect for businesses looking to design professional content, without the complexity. Bring your ideas to life and capture attention in just a few clicks. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.